I mean, the only thing that came to my mind from this conversation was just the reminder of having, if you have a WordPress website, awesome, wise move. Uh, the most powerful and popular CMS content management system right now is WordPress and HubSpot. But they call it a COS, content optimization system.
Mhm.
It's their little lingo, whatever. It does the same thing, but there's limitations to that. But I will talk about that at a later time. But just remember, like, all digital activity points back to your website. So if you're not maintaining it, you're not taking care of it, you don't have a web developer that's doing ongoing maintenance, um, that is doing the core web vitals optimization on a monthly basis, that will affect all the efforts that you're putting into marketing. It'll affect your marketing. It'll affect your potential buyers that come to the site. So if you're a B2B marketer and you are also building your personal brand and posting consistently on LinkedIn or TikTok or Twitter, YouTube, whatever social media platform you want, like, and you're focusing on bringing in more inbound leads, it's going to go back to the website. I've seen B2B marketers say, "Oh, this one person filled out our form and how did you hear about us? Oh, LinkedIn and all this other stuff." Like, it's all connected. So just remember, take care of the website.
And it will take care of you.
And it'll take care of you. Exactly.
I had to say that. Yeah. Well, because you can do everything right. And, you work so hard on LinkedIn, you're consistent with your messaging and your value, and then they come to your website and they can't figure anything out and they're gone. So
right.
Yeah, it's a total fruitless effort. So, well, thank you so much for taking time to talk to me today. This has really been great and awesome to have you on here.
Thank you for inviting me on the show. It's a pleasure.